All right, welcome back everyone. Ryan with Polar Fox APU here today. We've got some of our older legacy backpack units here, 12 volt models, 7500 BTU. The under the bunk units is the same as our new kind of trademark design unit with the smaller condenser outside. The components inside, the major components anyways, your compressor, controller, condenser fan, all that stuff is pretty well the same components that are in our new system. Originally we were going to strip these units for parts and all that and convert them into our other units, but since we have about 100 of them, what we wanted to do is sell these for do-it-yourself kits. Sell them as is. They're already pre-charged, they have everything you need to install it. So we want to get these out there and get them in people's hands and see how you like them. We're going to go ahead and do an unboxing and show you what you get in the boxes here with the kits. It's pretty well everything you need except for a battery solution. I'll talk more at the end of the video. We do have a solution for the batteries and we're giving a pretty good discount. If you buy this unit, we'll give a pretty good discount on our batteries as well. So the first box here is the backpack unit. So what you're going to get first here is you got two hoses. These are already pre-made, ready to go in. I guess if you wanted, you could get a union somewhere and make them shorter or longer, but these are pretty standard length. We were installing these units, they were typically plenty long for most installations. So like I said, you don't need a crimp or anything, you already got both ends on. This pretty well standard stuff here. A hardware kit here with everything you need to hang the backpack unit on the back of the truck. You got some foam isolators, some screws, bolts, and you got some little clips here for your outside on your harness and your AC lines. And then you've even got some U-clamps here for your ducking inside the truck as well. And here we got your harness. So typically the only thing you need to do with this, if you have an existing auxiliary battery setup or hotel batteries, you can hook a fuse up to this and hook this directly up to your auxiliary battery bank. Or if you have your own battery solution you want to make up on your own, you can hook this up to that. Or you can buy our dual-purpose lithium batteries and you can hook it directly up to those, and the battery BMS does the rest. So you don't have to worry about DC-DC chargers or a bistable relay to isolate those batteries. Our batteries do that itself. So. Now on the other end of this, you have the harness that goes up to your panel. The panel's in the other box. I'll show you that here in a second. Same panel as the videos you've probably seen with our new unit. So it has the green light up logo on the fan as our unit does, our new unit. So pretty easy install here. Like I said, hook up to your battery solution, hook up to the panel. Your evaporator box will come into the panel as well. And then your hose connections right here. These just screw on, and there's a valve in here that uses an Allen wrench to where you can release the refrigerant, because this unit's already pre-charged, so you don't need any. I would recommend using a vacuum pump to suck down the lines. I mean, have I not done it that way? Yes. We've had them work just fine without doing a vac test or a suck down, which like I said isn't recommended, but it can be done. Already pre-charged. All you have to do is hook up your lines. If you want to vac it down, you can. Then just open up the valves, and if your electrical's hooked up and everything, you're ready to start the system up. So this weighs, I believe, about 55 pounds or so. So to install these, you're going to have a secure place on the back of the truck. We typically, when we were doing these, we'd take the upholstery down and actually we made a little template where we drilled our holes, had a guy inside, a guy outside, hang the unit and bolt it to the back of the cab. So not too terrible. If you're doing them every day like we do here, it's a little bit more tedious, but for a do-it-yourself or a small fleet, if you're looking for a couple of units, not too bad. So yeah, it might take you 2 days, day and a half, 2 days to get it in, but not the end of the world. Especially for the price point. Like I said, this setup here, we'll go ahead and show you the evaporator box. We're gonna have a promotion going on these until August 1st. We're selling the complete kit here, shipped, delivered in the continental United States for $1,600 out the door. And with that, we're also doing on our, if you buy this unit on our batteries, you can buy as many as you want. If you want to buy 2, 4, 6, 8, We're doing $150 off of those each, off our original $950 price on those. So you get the batteries for $800. That does not include shipping. There will be additional shipping on the batteries. So over in the other box, you've got your hardware for the blower evaporator box here. Got some stainless hardware there, remote control, some cable ties. Got your ducking. If this isn't long enough for you, it's this 4-inch ducking that you can get at any type of HVAC supply. Even Home Depot, Lowe's has the same type of stuff, or Amazon. Comes with a set of louvers here. Pop in and connect your ducts. On this side you have your panel. And last but not least, the evaporator blower unit here. So that's pretty much what you get in the set here. Like I said, we're doing these till August 1st. Free shipping, $1,600 out the door. If you want batteries, we're doing, again, if you buy everything together, we're doing $150 off each on the batteries as well, but shipping not included on those. So if it's something you're interested in, check us out on the website, Polar Fox APU, or they'll be available on dpfdiscounter.com on our e-commerce site, so check that out. If you're looking for multiple units, I'd say more than 5, we may be able to work with you on a little bit of a volume discount as well. So that'd be something to call into the office for if you're interested in that. That's pretty much all I have today, guys. Like I said, check us out again on Polar Fox APU or on dpfdiscounter.com. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the bell for updates, and like the video.